Good morning. This is Donna from Thread Treasures Embroidery. Today I wanted to show you how I actually created a font in Wilcom Hatch, as well as I'm finishing it off in Embird. So what I've done is I've gone and I've digitized a background in Hatch, and I saved the background file, and then I digitized the letters in Hatch as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually open a file, and I'm going to scroll down and find my background image. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to merge a file, and I'm going to select the A file, and I'm actually going to rotate this so that it's centered up in this, and I will actually say to center it on both axes to bring it in the center of this design. And from there I will whoops, sorry about that. Rotate, right? From there, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do a save as. I have the formats that I'm going to be saving this as, and it's going to come up and ask me a name. I'm giving it a name that I want to do, and it says, do you want to use all files to use the same name? And I'm going to say yes. And it's going through and saving all of the individual files. So if I come back over here now, where before we only had kind of like a V there, you will see, let me pull this up a little bit. You will see now that I have the A merged with this background, and I also have my A by itself. So say I don't want to do this, I can undo it. I can merge in another file. Let's do B. We're going to go ahead and rotate this again. It's centered in there. We will do a save as. Again, give it a different name. Save. And here's what it looks in a three-dimensional view. So we can merge another one. Let's merge in C. And sometimes I use actually both programs to be able to do the things that I want to be able to create exactly what I want. So don't be afraid to try to use all of your programs to create the actual finished design that you want. That's it for today. Talk to you later. Bye.